it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing opposite sides of the ball touches with the stability ball. So for these guys, we're going to start with the ball in between our feet. Holding this here is going to force us to engage our inner thighs, which is going to, in turn on some of our lower abdominal muscles. So squeeze, 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 right? And then we're just going to simply reach up and tap the opposite side of the ball with our opposite hand. Just bringing, if my right hand comes up, my right shoulder is coming off the ground, reaching as high as we can, just making sure that we're always squeezing that ball with our inner thighs. So for more awesome core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.